Alright, we're gonna go to the rich section. Oh, no. We're gonna go to the church. Church boys, that's where we're going. Is it some guy who's leaving? Maybe it is him who's leaving. I don't. Who's leaving? Is anyone leaving? Am I like an... Oh my god. Am I like a senile old man now? Is that what's happening? Not confirmed beyond season 8, but they'll likely continue from there for a while. I don't know. I feel like there's even 1 or 2 more seasons and then the show's over, but...
Oh my god! I caught one! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god, I'm having a heart attack of it. Oh, I heard someone loading the gun. I heard someone loading the gun to my right as I aimed the guy in front of me. So I unloaded into the first guy doing the like quick long shots, right? Oh my god, my heart is racing. I took the long shot. Oh my god. Fuck this gun. Shit, it's a boxing champion. Dance for me, dance. Nice try, man. Unlucky. My god, everyone's at this church. Dude, the Magnum shoots way too slow.